Kidventure Rangers! Let's go!
Hey everybody, welcome to Lunchtime with Tack. We're gonna be making a sandwich. We're gonna be using peanut butter, honey, and bread, and the knife, of course. And first, we're gonna get out the bread.
Ooh!
That's hard to get out. Okay, that's easy. Get some bread. Two. Okay.
Okay, this one is gonna be right here.
Okay, now we're gonna be getting out the peanut butter first. Yeah, that's good peanut butter.
Yummy.
That looks good. Now let's spread on this one. Get the peanut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Get some more peanut butter. Oh, peanut butter is yummy. My sandwich, I get the peanut butter. Oh, well. Get some more. This is fun. Looks great right now. Oopsie. That looks perfect. Now, let's do some more peanut butter on this one. I hope I make up a sandwich joke on this. What is shark eat a sandwich? Because it's always sharkless. Doesn't make sense, so maybe it's not a very good joke. Whoa. I hope you love this. One more. Yummy. I feel like we're done, but we're just gonna... Time for the honey. Now we're gonna do the honey. Now it's time to spread the honey. Oh, look, it's a bear. That's funny. Just and now it's time to fold. And there you go, the perfect sandwich. I hope you liked my sandwich today. Go outside and have your own Kidventure. Thanks for watching Lunchtime for Tack. I did a lot of work, but you know what the best part about making a sandwich is eating it. Yum! Thanks for being our friend. Bye!